solve the one sum. 8x plus 5y is 11. X plus y is equal to 4. By two methods we are doing. First one is by elimination method. Second one is by substitution method. By two methods we will solve this equation. Yes, first I go to the elimination method. Coefficient of x I should make it same. Coefficient of x here is 8, coefficient of x here is 1. I want to make this as equal. It should be multiplied by 1. It should be multiplied by 8. 8x plus 5y is equal to 11. Now multiply. 8x plus 8y is equal to 32. Yes, now we made the x same. When we make the x same, you can subtract this one. So if I subtract, because I have to cancel the x, plus 8x minus 8x will get cancelled, plus y minus 8y minus 3y is equal to minus 32 plus 11, that is minus 21. So y is equal to minus 21 upon minus 3. Y is equal to 7. We got the y as 7. Once when we get the y, then you can find the value of x using one of the equation. I am going to the second equation, that is x plus y is equal to 4. Y is 7 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 7. X is equal to minus 3. So what are the values of x? X is minus 3, y is 7. This is by which method? It is by elimination method. And same sum if I do it by substitution, you should get the same answer. How we are getting? So what should be the value of x? X should be equal to minus 3. Y is equal to 7. This value we have to get by substitution method. Because tomorrow I start with one more new method, cross multiplication method. Okay? Yes. Now we will see whether how we substitution we should get the same. Yes. Now I am taking the second equation, x plus y is equal to 4. Y can be written as x minus 4. This is which method? Substitution method. We are going to both method and solve. Substitution method. X plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to x minus 4. Substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. Yes, what is the equation? 8x plus 5y is equal to 11. 8x plus 5. Y is what? X minus 4 is equal to 11. 8x plus 5 into x. 5x minus 20 is equal to 11. 8x plus 5x. 13x is equal to 11 minus 20 shifted to that side. That is clearly understand? See, y can be written as, y can be written as 4 minus x. Y is equal to what? 4 minus x. Take the second equation, first equation. 8x plus 5y is equal to 11. 8, x you take as it is, plus 5, y can be written as 4 minus x. Y can be written as what? 4 minus x is equal to 11. 8x, 5 into 4, 20 minus 5x is equal to 11. 8x minus 5x is equal to 11 minus 20. That is 3x is equal to minus 9. X is equal to minus 9 upon 3 minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. We got the same value. Same value x is equal to what we got? We got x is equal to minus 3. Then we will verify for y. To verify for we can find the value of y. To find the y, you can take any one of the equation. X plus y is equal to 4. X is minus 3 plus y is 4. Y is equal to 4. Shift that minus 3 plus 3. Y is equal to 7. Yes, we got the two values. Same values or different values. Same values we got it or not. X is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to 7. This is whether you do by substitution method or by elimination method, we are going to get the same answer. See, this is the same. Here we are getting. One more we are going. Clearly understand both methods, because tomorrow we are doing with cross multiplication method. That is little bit, first I need to explain. In next video I am going to explain that one. One more sum. X minus y. X minus y is equal to 3. 3x minus 2y is equal to 10. Yes, first I go by normal elimination method. Yes, in elimination method I have to make this one same. Either you make x same or y same. X minus y is equal to 3. 3x minus 2y is equal to 10. You make the x same. So what is this? Coefficient of x here 3. Coefficient of x here is what? 1. So either you can make x same or y same. So 3x minus 3y. 3x minus 3y is 9. This is 1 means 3x minus 2y is equal to 10. Now 3x should get cancelled. When they want to cancel, you have to change the sign of the, that is, it is minus, it becomes plus minus. Minus y. Minus 3y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to 1. Minus minus you can cancel. Y will be equal to 1. Yes, if y is 1, you can find the value of x. X minus y is equal to 3. X minus 1. Because value of y is what? 1. Y value is 1 means you substitute in the equation. Y1 3. X is equal to 3 plus 1. X is equal to 4. We got the values of both x and y. So by which method? It is by which method? That is elimination method. Yes. Next we are going to substitution method. So here value of y is 1. X is equal to 4. Okay. Now we are going to which method? That is substitution method. Same sum, same answer you should get here. Because there is an exercise there, you have to solve the linear equation by both the methods, substitution method as well as elimination method. Yes. Now we are going to substitution method. Substitution method. Yes. X minus y is equal to 3. X can be written as 3 plus 1. X minus y is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 plus y. Substitute in the second equation. Substitute in the equation 2. 3x minus 2y is equal to 10. 3, x can be written as 3 plus y. Minus 2y is equal to 10. X can be written as what? 3 plus y. 3 3s are 9. Minus 2y is 10. 3y minus 2y is equal to 10 minus 9. 3y minus y is equal to 1. Same value, y is equal to what? 1. Yes, now we will find the value of the x. X minus y is equal to 3. X is, you have to find the value of x minus 1 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 plus 1. X is equal to 4. Yes, same value we are getting or not? Whether you solve it by elimination method or by substitution method, you will get the same answer. Okay. Next, one more sum we are going. Both the methods you should know. Yes, one more sum. 4x minus 3y is equal to 8. Then 6x minus y is equal to 29 upon 3. Yes. First sum, so 4x minus 3y is equal to 8. This is simple. Second one, cross multiply 3 into 6x. This is equation 1. 3 into 6x minus y is equal to 29 into 1. 18x minus 3y is equal to 29. This is equation 2. Yes. Now I am taking the equation first elimination method. I am going. So what is the first equation? 4x minus 3y is equal to 8. 18x minus 3y is equal to 29. Here just see the coefficient of y, they are same. So it is not necessary to multiply. It is not necessary to multiply, but it should get cancelled. Both should have opposite sign. Here both are having minus minus. So we will change the sign. It becomes minus plus minus. Minus 18x plus 4x minus 14x minus 29 plus 8 minus 21. Is it or not? Because here there is no question of multiplication. Here we are getting same. So x is equal to minus 21 upon minus 4. 3 is a 2 is a. X is equal to 3 by 2. Any doubt, any confusion? X is equal to, see here. Here this is in fraction form. Cross multiplication 29 into 1 is equal to 3 into 6x minus y. Multiply 3 6 is 18x minus 3y is 29. Take the first equation 4x minus 3y is 8. Second equation 18x minus 3y is 29. Change the sign minus. This minus becomes plus. Plus becomes minus. Plus 4x minus 18x minus 14x is equal to minus 21. X is equal to 3 upon 2. Yes. Once when we get the value of x, you can find the value of y. 4x minus 3y is equal to 8. 4 into x value. What is x value? 3 upon 2 minus 3y is 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3 is 6 minus 3y is 8. 6 minus 8. Shift. This you shift it to this side. 3y. Minus 2 is equal to 3y. Y is equal to minus 2 upon 3. X is equal to 3 upon 2. Y is equal to minus 2 upon 3. This is by which method? Elimination method. Here 4. X is 3 upon 2. It is minus 3y. 2 2s are 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 3y is 8. 6 minus this 8 I am shifting to LHS minus 8. This I am shifting it to RHS 3y. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 3y. So y is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So x is equal to what? 3 upon 2. Y is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Yes. Now this we are doing it by which method? Substitution method. Same answer you should get. We will see. Yes. Yes, we got the equation 4x minus 3y is equal to, I will take the equation 1, 4x minus 3y is equal to 8. 4x is equal to 8 plus 3y. X is equal to 8 plus 3y upon 4. 4x is equal to 8 plus 3y. X is equal to 8 plus 3y upon 4. This is substitute in the equation 2. What is this equation? 18x minus 3y is 29. 18x, x can be written as 8 plus 3y upon 4 minus 3y is 29. 2 2s are 2 9s. Yes, substitution I am going. First I am taking 4x minus 3y is 8. 4x can be written as 8 plus 3y. X is equal to 8 plus 3y upon 4. Take the equation 18x minus 3y is equal to 29. 18x can be written as 8 plus 3y upon 4 minus 3y is equal to 29. We can cancel. 2 2s are 2 9s. Now 9 into 8, 72 plus 27y upon 2 minus 3y is equal to 29. 2 and 1, LCM is what? 2. 2 means it should be multiplied by 1. It should be multiplied by 2. That is clearly understand? Yes. Now this. Yes. Now 2 means 72 plus 27y. It should be multiplied by 2 minus 3y, 6y upon 2 is equal to 29 upon 1. Clearly understand? 2 9s are 2 2s are 9 8s are 72 plus 9 3s are 27y upon 2 minus 3y is 29. 2 and 1 LCM is 2. 2 means it should be multiplied by 1. It should be multiplied by 2. Then 72 plus 27y minus 61 plus 21y upon 2 is 29. Cross multiply. 72 plus 21y is equal to 29 into 2. 21y plus 72 is equal to 58. 21y is equal to 58 minus 72. 21y is equal to, that is 58 minus 72, 12 minus 40. Y is equal to minus 14 upon 21, that is minus 2 upon 3. 7 2s are 7 3. Same answer you are getting. Y is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Clearly understand? See, first I am taking the first equation. 4x minus 3y is equal to 8. 4x is equal to 8 plus 3y. X is equal to 8 plus 3y upon 4. Now I am taking the second equation. 18x minus 3y is 29. 18. X can be substituted as 8 plus 3y upon 4. Minus 3y is 9. So 2 2s are 2 9s are 9 into 8 plus 3y. 9 8s are 72 plus 9 3s are 27y upon 2 minus 3y. 29. LCM of 2 and 1 2. It should be multiplied by 1 time. It should be multiplied by 2 times. We get y is minus 2 upon 3. Then we can find the value of x by taking the same equation. 4x minus 3y is 8. 4x minus 3 into y value. What is y? Minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 8. Then 3 ones. 4x minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 8. 4x is equal to 8 minus 2. 4x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon 4. 2 2s are 2 3s are. X is equal to 3 upon 2. Value same or different? Same. Either you do by substitution method or by elimination method. So you should be perfect in these two methods. Okay? You practice today substitution and elimination. Tomorrow I will take one more method, that is cross